Aaron from Science Live, and let us hear from our weather reporter, Toni Bustamante.
Good day, everyone. This is Toni, your weather reporter. It's cloudy today, and if you're feeling hot, it's because of climate change. To know more about climate change, let's have Aaron.
Climate change, also known as global warming, refers to the rise in average surface temperatures on Earth. An overwhelming scientific consensus maintains that climate change is due primarily to the human use of fossil fuels, which releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the air. The gases trap heat within the atmosphere, which can have a range of effects on ecosystems, including rising sea levels, severe weather events, and droughts that render landscapes more susceptible to wildfires.
Since we are already in the topic of climate change, we can talk about large animal migrations, more specifically in Oslob, Cebu. First of all, we need to know what large animal migration is. Let's hear it from our science correspondent, Jodi.
Thank you very much. Large animal migration is the most common form of migration in ecology. Animals migrate for different reasons such as climate, availability of resources, and etc. Whale sharks, for example, migrate to cooler waters due to climate change. Back to you, Toni.
Thank you. In Oslob, Cebu, whale sharks were spotted during their migratory period, and an observer wanted to get up close with it. This started a business, and it reached the internet. The impacts of these is that more people want to go and see the whale sharks, which will increase the income of the people in town, but at the same time increases the risk of extinction of these majestic animals. This might happen because of the animals' behavior will change since they only eat the same type of food for 6 hours straight. Jodi, can you tell us more information about the impacts of large animal migrations happening in Oslo?
The whale shark attraction in Oslo became a great source of livelihood for the town's citizens. The presence of the majestic beasts has brought a large amount of income to the small towns due to the influence of tourism. In fact, according to the Regional Economic Development Council, Oslo managed to generate 35 million pesos of income in just 9 months after starting their operation in January 2013. To continue this discussion, let us hear it from Aaron.
While the recent development might sound like music to the ears of the tourism office, the whole operation poses a threat to the whale shark's existence. IUCN reported that the growing human attention that the creatures are receiving is detrimental to their species. It increases the risk of extinction for the whale shark population, which has been on a steady decline for the past few years. In fact, the number of whale sharks have more than half of 63% of their population declined over the last 75 years as they continue to be fished and killed by ship propellers.
Thank you for tuning in. This is Toni Bustamante, and you are watching Science Live.